Meaning of incompatible.
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 Incompatible. The term incompatible refers to something that is not capable of coexisting or working together harmoniously. When two things are incompatible, they cannot be combined or integrated without causing negative consequences or failures. This could refer to physical objects, such as different types of electronic devices that are not designed to work with one another. However, it can also refer to concepts or ideas that clash with one another. For example, a person's beliefs may be incompatible with the beliefs of another person, making it difficult for them to get along or work together effectively.